Hello again, it's Noob, and look at this lovely vintage, very good condition American lock padlock. It's only about 32mm wide, an inch and a quarter, and I thought I was familiar with a lot of the American lock brands, or when they were just branded American. But I don't know the model of this, and I can't easily find anything on the internet about it. So if you know what model this is, please do let me know in the comments. I would really appreciate it, because I like to know about these kind of locks, and I do love picking American locks, and it's nice having the American USA branded ones with the Junkunk Brothers keys, and I think the Junkunk Brothers were the founders of the American brand. Anyway, let's have a look at the lock. I mean, this feels like new old stock, very stiff key. There isn't a way to gut this. It does seem to have a double ball bearing mechanism, which is really nice for such a small shackled padlock. So clearly good quality, I think, for a smaller lock. It can be a bit stiff to get the key out. I don't think you can gut this. It looks like it's been pinned here, so you can't remove the cord, but it's got the classic American lock keyway. The bitting on this isn't amazing, but it might be a fun pick. Let's find out. So we are in the vise, and I'm just going to put that key in. It's really hard to get in, but it all seems to be working fine. I've got an 18,000th gem, which I'm going to use for picking bottom of the keyway. What I've found with this lock, though, is it has a sprung core. See that? But also what's interesting is how far it turns. So and when you pick, say, pin 5 here, it feels like it's already in a false set. So it could just be that it's just a load of spools. So I'm just going to lighten up on the tension, maybe even a bit of manual counter rotation to set pin 5 there. 4's binding now, same thing again. That feels good. 3's binding now. It seems to be binding back to front, back to 5, 4, 3, another click. Nothing on 2, 1, back to 5, nice click. I can't seem to set 5 properly. I'll try again. There, got that one. 4 now, binding. That feels good. Some minor counter rotation. That's pin 2 there. Pin 1 now. Oh, and we got the open. Ready? Oh, that's a really tough plug there when you're turning it. It's like you really have to just force that around. So yeah, very stiff plug on this one, but a really nice lock. And I do love the fact it's got this double ball bearing mechanism on such a small lock. You really don't see that very much these days. Yeah, just makes it anti-shim. Just an overall good quality little vintage lock, and a pleasure to pick. I don't really know what's inside it. It felt like it was all spools, and it was already in a false set when I tried to pick this. All the pins needed to be picked, which was good. So yeah, I really like this one. If you have any comments about this lock, please leave them below, especially if you know the model number. Would be really interested to know that. If you like this video or this lock, then please leave me a like. Consider subscribing for more content like this, and of course smashing that notification bell. It all really helps me out, and I really appreciate it. And of course, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.